I know what you're thinking. The new trailer for what? No, I'm talking about a new trailer. For me, it's a new trailer. I'm buying one to get rid of the junk on my old property that I'm fixing up. And it just so happens we discovered a mystery. Yeah, we call it our Oak Island mystery. There's something up there, but I won't spoil the surprise. We'll get to that in just a minute. So I started looking for a trailer, and I found this one close by my house in Purcell, Oklahoma. It was the right price. They asked $600. I got it for $5. Used to haul goats. I don't know why they took a picture of the. This is straight from Facebook Marketplace, but yeah, they showed a picture of the wheel. It's a good wheel, I guess. The other wheel's not as pretty. And I put it right to use. It had been hauling goats, and now I'm the goat. Goat, G-O-A, or I don't know. I look like a goat, don't I? Here I go. I'm going to get rid of all that carpet. You'll recall from, second video or something when I took the carpet out. Those of you who knew me as a pastor, you may think, gosh, he'll hug old carpet. Why wouldn't he hug us? Yeah, it's hard to explain. You may notice some continuity errors here, which are intentional. I'm just giving you the idea here. This went on for quite some time, and then I had it all. I managed to get all the carpet in one load, and then it was off to the dump, which I can't go to the Purcell dump. They won't let me because I live right outside. They won't even let me pay to. So I go 3 hours, 30 minutes away to the landfill in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma. Now, if this doesn't look like Oklahoma to you, okay, I admit it. I didn't actually film the drive, but it was a lot like this. It was twisty and turny, and first time driving that trailer, it was fishtailing mightily, and I had to end up getting another trailer hookup to lower it a little bit. That helped it a tad, but you get the idea. It was twisty and windy, about 35 minutes. It was hair-raising because I didn't want to hurt anyone. So I get to the landfill, which I also didn't shoot, but it looked a lot like this. There was the ocean on the coast of Oklahoma to look out upon. No, it was horrible. I wanted to find something that was mountainous to show you, because there were mountains of garbage that I had to drive through and back up, and oh man, it was not fun. How I didn't get a nail in my tire from all of that, I do not know. Took another trip with a bunch of the other junk that I removed from the house, but I'm not going to bore you with that. You get the idea. Just re-roll that same footage. That's what it looked like. But hey, here's the mystery. I looked up, and you can't see it here, but on the side of my carport, I see this golf club sticking out. And I realized, wait, there's a hatch there to get up. So I put my camera on a tripod, and I tried as best I could to get it up to that little tiny crack and look up into to see what all might be hiding. Clearly, they're used this thing for some kind of storage. What's up in there? Oak Island, baby. It could be pirate treasure. Okay, I admit it's just a golf club, but what else is up there? I mean, it could be like stolen money from a bank heist 30 years ago. Well, we'll have to go till next time to find out. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe.